I'm with Dr. Lorenzo Cohen, the Director of Integrative Medicine at MD Anderson Cancer Center. June is Men's Health Month, and what is your message to men?
So there's so much we can do to improve our health. And this isn't just about preventing cancer, diabetes, heart disease, stroke, which of course we want to do, but it is about just being vibrant and young and vibrant even into old age. And how we do this is really in our book, Anti-Cancer Living, what we call the mix of six lifestyle factors that we know will prevent the majority of diseases in our world. And in fact, if you have one of these diseases, it's going to help to control it and maybe even cure it. And we start with love and support, then stress management, healthy sleep, regular exercise, physical activity, a plant-centered diet, and then reducing our environmental toxins. And so starting with love and support, why do we start there? Well, we live in a social context. We will not be able to achieve effective lifestyle change if we don't have our social network with us along the way to support us, to encourage us. We also know that something like love and support has a direct effect on our genes and the way our genes behave, what we call epigenetics. The next area is stress. If we don't manage our stress, stress is going to sabotage all our good, healthy intentions. And everyone knows that stress disrupts our relationships, will decrease the quality of our sleep. What a lot of people don't know is that even if you're trying to eat a healthy diet, stress is going to decrease the beneficial effects of that diet. So don't go out there and start eating a plant-based diet thinking you're restricting yourself and also not managing your stress, because you're going to decrease the benefits of that diet. We also know that stress has a direct impact on all biological systems in our body, increasing our vulnerability to cancer, heart disease, stroke, and many inflammatory diseases. The next area is sleep. Sleep is critically important, and those who sleep 6.5 hours or less a night actually have an increased all-cause mortality. Sleep deprivation being linked with a number of different diseases, including decreasing cognitive functioning as we age. Sleep deprivation also will impact multiple biological systems, decreasing our immune system, increasing inflammation, again, making us more vulnerable to multiple diseases. Exercise. Everyone knows the benefits of exercise. Exercise makes us healthy not only for our mental health, but also, again, every single biological system in our body, decreasing vulnerability to all the chronic diseases that ails our society. The next area, and fifth, and probably the easiest, but that our society has convoluted and made extremely complicated, is our diet. And what is a healthy diet? Well, a healthy diet is a plant-centered diet. It is that simple, that the majority of your plate, the vast majority, needs to be from the plant world. This includes produce, a small amount of fruit, and healthy grains, whole grains, decrease the amount of processed food, decrease the amount of animal products, and that is a healthy diet. And the last area is the environmental exposures. Environmental exposures from direct carcinogens, things that we know cause cancer, like formaldehyde that's in a lot of preservatives, as well as the endocrine disruptors that are in a lot of our personal care products, increase our vulnerability, in particular to cancer. And there are so many different ways that we can reduce our exposures using the precautionary principle, which is until a chemical is found to be safe, just try and avoid it. Wonderful resources like the Environmental Working Group, ewg.org, and others online. And what you need to know is there is so much we can do to improve our health. And improving our health improves our lives, improves our fitness, improves our ability to just be a good human being. And what's good for us is ultimately good for the planet. So go out there, turn awareness into action, and improve your health.